Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am back as promised for the start of my meal prep journey. This week I'm not making what I had planned on making. I knew that I would have a lot of collard greens left over from Sunday dinner, so I decided to just make something that will pair with those for this week. So it'll be chicken legs with gravy and sweet potatoes, a baked sweet potato, and of course the greens. I'm excited about starting this journey. I also will be doing intermittent fasting, so I think I'm gonna do like not eating until 12 and not eating after 8. So we're gonna try that out and see how that works. But yes, stay tuned and watch me get ready for my meal prepping for the week and just basically a Sunday reset. You're the only thing to stay when the world just gets too heavy. Buying temporary highs, never think about the price. Okay, this bit for a while. So basically I'm doing half of the cream of chicken and half of the chicken gravy. I like to switch it up. Sometimes I'll do just the cream of chicken with maybe a little bit of chicken broth or juices from the chicken, or sometimes I'll just do the gravy. It just depends on how I'm feeling. But that cream of chicken, the flavors in that is unmatched. So I'll definitely be having to invest in some glass bowls. I don't even know why I got these, because I love glass. And especially it's just better to put hot food in. And my meal prep is not all that aesthetically pleasing, y'all, but I'm gonna get there. And if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you all stay on this journey with me. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.